Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a product tryout. I actually got this box from a brand called Kismet, and they do a lot of like lip products, and so they sent me their lip kit, which is really cutely packaged. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we've got the Kismet Primp Velvet Lip Kit, and inside is a lip scrub, a lip mask, lip liner mini, and lipstick. There's a lot in here. This retails for $40 on their site. And let's open it up and see what we've got. So here's what it looks like inside. So we have the lipstick, we've got a liner, we've got the scrub, and then underneath will be a mask. The lip liner is in Royal Blush. The lipstick is in Country Rose, which should be a pink red lipstick. The scrub is called Totally Baked. So let's get started with this. I'm assuming that there's an idea of when you're supposed to do which item. I'm guessing you scrub first, then mask, then lip. I'm guessing. So let's see what we've got here. I really like this cute little package. It's very cute. Oh, okay. Okay, it does say on the sides, begin with the sugar scrub and then go with the hydrogel lip mask, and then do your lips. So let's start scrubbing. Oh, okay. This smells like cookies. It smells like cookie dough. It's really thick. There's a lot of it in here, which is really nice. It tastes good. It tastes really good. I kind of want to just eat it, but I won't. That tastes like so good. But I'm not supposed to eat it, so I'm not gonna. All right, now let's go with the lip mask right here. Golden hydrogel lip mask, shaped like little lips. Supposed to keep this on for 20 minutes. I don't know if I can keep it on for that long, but we're gonna try. Those feel good. Dang, they feel a little tingly, which is actually kind of nice. Adjust my makeup around my lips just a little bit. And let's get on to the color here. This color is called Country Roads. It's really pretty. It's kind of a nudie pink. We also have this little lip liner, and this is in Royal Blush. I know with lip liners, you kind of have to warm them up just a little bit. At least I do anyways. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit on my arm, my hand here. It's really soft blush pink. And then this here matches really well. Let's get to lining. I don't normally use lip liner at all, but for the sake of this video, I'm doing it. Okay, barely tell because it's like almost identical to the color of my lips, which is not a bad thing. All lip liner should do, I mean, all lip liner does for me is keep the lipstick in the line. But like I said, I don't even really use it, so it doesn't really matter. Let's try this color. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I really like that a lot. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel like it's too, you know how when some lipsticks, they feel like they're too soft? This doesn't feel too soft. Doesn't feel like it's gonna come off right away. And it's a really pretty color. It's actually a really nice color for my skin tone, but I do feel like this is gonna be nice with most skin tones because it has kind of a pinkish, nudish tone to it. So, and my skin is very neutral. This is like perfect. This is so pretty. Oh, I love this. This lip scrub here, right here, is worth it in itself. And I just feel like everything else is kind of an added bonus. And I know $40 can be a little bit, but I mean, consider this. Consider lipsticks are usually $20 to $25. These lip masks are usually like $3 to $5. Lip scrubs this size, you cannot find a size in this quality for under $10 easily. Then this here, I mean, I would spend like $5-10 for something like this. So overall, it's pretty worth it. You also get just kind of everything in one, and you get this cute little box. So if you were going to give it to somebody, they would absolutely love it. I am loving this lipstick, and I really love the way my lips feel right now. They feel soft, they feel plump, they feel just really, really, really nice. So I give this a thumbs up, definitely. I know that Kismet has these things on their site by themselves, so I have a feeling I'm going to be going back for this sugar scrub quite a bit because I'm just absolutely loving it. I don't normally like these masks, but I did like this one. I liked kind of the tingly feeling that it gave my lips. It felt really nice. It felt like it was actually doing something. So if you want to try out more of their stuff, you can go to kismetcosmetics.com. I'll leave a link down below. They did send this to me, but this is my unbiased review. They didn't pay me to do anything, but I thought I would share this with you guys. So if you like videos like this, be sure to hit that like button so that I know to make more. And be sure to hit the subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit those notifications so that you know every single time I upload. We will talk to you soon.